everybody. Guess what time it is? It's dumpster diving time with Triple D here, Dumpster Diver Dad, and we are right behind Harbor Freight. So let's see what we can find. I peeked in there and saw some goodies, so let's see what I can find in here. Right on top, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a tire changer. Oh man. Looks brand new. Looking good. What else is in here? Empty box, empty box. And what is this? It's like a tray or something. Did you get that? Oil changer. I see what this is. Let's see, a bunch of little bins, and I think that's what that's for. Got a bunch of these, which is nice. You can always put stuff in those. What else is in here? Shoot. Slippery. I don't know if I can get up in here. See. You guys see me? Good. Okay, good. All right, here we go. Hop right in here. Awesome tool chest. And an awesome tool chest, guys. Got pliers. Hole saws. File. That's pretty good. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of casters in here. Definitely take that. Oh, guys, hopefully I got everything in here, but it is a car positioning dolly. Another wrench, more of these things. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. I think there's another one in here, guys. Got two more. Yeah, I got two of them, guys. Save it. If I can save it. One more, guys. Oh man. They opened up the box. think that's about it. Not too bad. So yeah, I got two of those car positioning dollies. One that came out of the box and one's in the box, so I got two of those. That's awesome. And then I got this tire changer, and then a box and some metal hole saws. So yeah, I made out today at Harbor Freight. I don't know how much those go for, but I know they're not cheap. So anyways, Triple D here. It's closing in on 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I'm gonna put the stuff in the car and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye.